Alright, we're on the train. Leaving our favorite city in the world. Or at least one of them. So we just left Visp and we are heading to Spitz. Yeah, we're on the top floor of first class cabin. We are on our way to Interlaken, where we will have to change in Spitz. And then from there we will have a 30-minute ride to Interlaken, and then hopefully we'll have a place to throw our bags, and then we will run up the mountain and take a look at some waterfalls. So that's what's next on the list. Alright, so it's a quick ride from Interlaken Ost to Lauterbrunnen, and maybe 20 minutes or so. We're here now, so now it's time to go walk around and see what's going on. Up to Muren, which I think is at the top of the cliff line, is about 11 euros or Swiss francs for an adult. Probably about half price for the kids. So an option. We're actually just here to see the cliffs and the waterfalls. We might consider going up there, but it's just some more money that we don't want to spend. So we're gonna wander around, look at the waterfalls, maybe find a nice place to sit down and relax a little bit. We're in the city now. Everybody's wandering, we're walking. It's a little different having to look both ways for cars. It's nice in Zermatt where you don't have to do that kind of stuff. Yeah. No, I'm good. My hands are full.
This is not a bad place to live, I feel like.
Well, yeah, you park your car, you take your train up to your house. Do our kids love us anymore?
We don't know. We don't know.
Tunnel. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, baby.
Ooh. Look at the trippy cave. Trippy cave.
Another 20 steps.
That's right. Europe's about cardio. One thing I have to say is, at least this shit's free. Nothing in Europe's really free. You gotta pay for toilets. This just takes some heart, some effort.
So, we were not expecting a dead end. that's all you see about the waterfall. All the mist, the river. And me and my sister were not expecting that to happen. But, yeah.
It's not what I wanted. Maybe it was more, because yeah.
You want to run the rainy day?
Yeah. Alright guys, so you walk up. If you go to the big waterfall in Lauterbrunnen, I'll have to give you the name in a minute. It comes to a dead end. Basically you kind of end up right underneath it. Best way to get a good shot is to wait for a nice fat wind gust to kind of take off and like blow the waterfall a little more so you get a little background action. Or be here when it's raining, when you got a little more action coming down. I mean, the view's nice and you get to climb through a cave. You know, there's a cave. There's a cave. But beautiful area all the way across. Got a little campground down here.
That one was fully booked.
Well, I bet every year that thing is already booked out 6 months in advance. Got some base jumpers. Yeah, and that's about it. So if you have any singers in your family, the echo tunnel happens to be the excitement of the waterfall. We're gonna go down on the street a little further down so you get a better view of the outside, but this was a little bit unimpressive.
Why didn't they do that like all the way?
Oh, belly kiss.
You know what, maybe when the windy and rainy days come. Bahn 1 hour, Trommelbach 40 minutes.
It's our closest option is Trommelbach.
From this side.
It just bit me. It's big.
Not that big.
All right, Lauterbrunnen. As you can see, we got waterfalls behind us. Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall all over the place. Yeah, they're beautiful. It's a gorgeous little area. Nice valley. So cool with the steep cliffs. And pretty flat valley trail, which is pretty nice. Keeps it mellow for the family or for any older travelers out there. Wish we would have gotten the bike and gone up to Muren, which is on the top of the cliffs up here, and then you ride around and down, and then it's a downhill bike just down this trail we've been on all day. Alright, here we are at the Base Cafe. We just sat down, kind of close to the train station. Trying to catch we got about an hour till a 5:30 train. That'll put us back into Interlaken around 6 o'clock, and then we got a 6:30 departure to Basel, and that'll get us into Basel with about 30 minutes to spare. We could have tightened it up a little bit had we wanted to, but we'd really rather not have to push it. It's sometimes better to give us a little extra cush getting on the next train, so we can grab some sandwiches and some stuff like that. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Really nice little sitting spot. So down over here, that's the train station right through there. Yeah, really nice little area. We walked down, saw all of the waterfalls and stuff. We're right across the street from the Gemeinde, which is the government building, Gemeinde House. And you got the street and the town that runs up that way. Hey baby, can you help mommy bring the drinks out?
Yo. She's like, no I didn't. I'm like, Daddy, sure. Yo. I'll get you a...
Well, I'm glad we did it actually. It's nice to see. I mean, that waterfall is pretty rad. I mean, look at that thing from here. You can see it from here. Look at that.
I told you, it looks like the waterfall from the movie Up.
Right.
If you watched the movie.
But that's in South America, but I think that one's actually another one is real. Join us next time when we get home to Berlin and hang with the family. The kids hit the ponds, lakes, and forests of East Germany with Oma and Opa. We relax in the garden and explore Doreen's hometown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Maroon.
Sieht hier selber aus, das selber aus wie ein Ton.